When most organizations think about seeking outside help to get an enterprise IT project done, they usually consider three kinds of approaches: the low-cost provider approach, the high-expertise local provider approach, and the build-your-own-team approach. They can choose an offshore vendor who will ship the work off to a faraway facility to keep labor costs down. That's the low-cost approach. Or they bring in an expert local consultancy to deliver the project with a highly experienced but much more expensive team. That's the high-expertise approach. Or they can choose to drive the initiative themselves, leveraging local contractors to supplement their team, filling in skill and availability gaps. That's the build-your-own approach. For many complex or important projects, though, each of these approaches risks falling short. That's because the most challenging projects often have tight timelines, constrained budgets, highly complex requirements, limited internal employee availability, and a need for user and IT collaboration. Projects like these also frequently call for an agile or iterative approach, increasing the need for tight, real-time collaboration and communication. The low-cost approach might initially appear to hit the budget target, but communication barriers caused by time zone, culture, and language differences often introduce unforeseen challenges, creating delays that can adversely impact both quality and initial cost estimates. Security and attrition are also concerns. The high-expertise approach, on the other hand, can keep business strategy, technology, and resource utilization in sync. But even the highest priority projects can struggle to justify the cost of an end-to-end consulting engagement. And while the build-your-own-team approach costs less than the high-expertise approach, it still costs more than offshoring. Even more critically, it exposes the internal team to resource conflicts, as project management oversight and tasks demand already limited staff time. For the most challenging and important projects, having to choose between price, quality, and time isn't good enough. It's time for a collaborative approach. Leveraging the Collaborative Domestic Solutions Center, Collaborative Consulting works with clients to deliver tailored IT solutions for the most complex business challenges at a price point that is highly competitive and without sacrificing quality or speed. With Collaborative, highly experienced business and technology consultants develop and implement a strategy designed to meet your specific goals, while the Collaborative Domestic Solutions Center, or CDSC, provides lower cost, expert service delivery. The CDSC is no more than a time zone or a short flight away, and offers the resources, skills, and educated workforce of a major metropolitan center without the typical high cost. For clients, this combination translates to a highly skilled and dedicated domestic service delivery team, competitive pricing, as well as the assurance of easy collaboration and alignment throughout even the most complex projects. We built the Collaborative Domestic Solutions Center to meet the real-world requirements of your most challenging projects. When high-quality delivery is a business essential, an agile or iterative methodology is the ideal approach. Communication must be clear and complete. Project value is high, and both time and budget are tightly constrained. Collaboration is everything. Call Collaborative Consulting to learn more about how the Collaborative Domestic Solutions Center can build tailored, cost-effective IT solutions for your most complex business challenges.